Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Silibet, and today, on behalf of the entire team, I'm going to talk about a green initiative that will promote a green work environment at Edgewood College. You all know that what is to be green, to act green, but when you are in college with a busy schedule, sometimes it seems like a lot of time and effort that you don't have to devote to becoming eco-friendly. However, there are changes we can implement into our daily life that take little to no time or effort and can actually promote and cohesiveness within each department and save a lot of money in the process. Among many ways to go green in a college, we are going to put our efforts on the usage of paper. The way we use paper is one of those changes that all departments in the college need to address in order to help mitigate the impact of paper usage on the environment because it's a serious issue. Significantly, reducing paper use is probably the most important part of curbing deforestation and the environmental havoc wreaked by paper production. If you want to create healthy learning environment for our kids now and in the future, then we need to acknowledge that our paper choices at school and home have a deep impact on their well-being. The college can make enormous contribution by becoming super conscientious about reducing paper use. But before going further on this initiative, we need to know some facts, give some strategies, and how we can work together as a team to address this issue. First of all, most people think of paper as a piece of shit, but in reality, we see it more as a way to kill trees. In fact, paper is the number one material we know we throw away. An average of 35% of all waste is paper. For example, in the Amazon alone, 2,000 trees are being cut down per minute. Worldwide, it's about 20,000 square kilometers of trees that are being cut down annually. At this rate, there will be no forest on Earth in 100 years, which is clearly a devastating concern. In addition, do you know what is the real cost of one pack of paper? So nowadays, to produce a pack of paper, we need 2% of a tree, 28 grams of sulfur dioxide, and 10 grams of nitrogen oxides, which cause acid rain. We also need 6,000 grams of CO2, which cause global warming, 6 grams of particulates, which cause asthma and other respiratory problems, 2 grams of hazardous air pollutants, 3 grams of volatile organic compounds, and finally 500 liters of water and 2 kilograms of solid waste. So it's obvious and crucial that we have to implement a green initiative program to reduce the usage of paper in our college. Our goal is to create a sustainable environment management system to produce paper use for the entire to reduce the paper uses for the entire campus living and community. Again, this initiative for promoting green work environment do not require a huge investment of money. At the time, efforts, and responsibilities are all we need to overcome that concern. So the strategy that will support and promote a green work environment are when printing and photocopying, we need to encourage staff to print double sides and have a dedicated person in the unit who can show the team how to best utilize greener print options. We also need to purchase recycled papers, or at least partially recycled paper. Implement a paper management system called PaperCoat, which will optimize the printer. We need to replace printing by using PDF files for the purpose of sharing information. We also need to use the environment friendly paper that is approved by the FSC, which is the Forest Street Stewardship Council for the important printings only. We can also utilize available technology for teaching, which is encourage the use of ebooks, electronic class notes, or online platform for work submission, such as Blackboard. Reuse the print paper that you no longer need for note taking or printing on the other side, which lead you to refrain from throwing them away. In the administrative department, we have the option to go paperless, create and distribute publication, reports, and memos electronically, post memos or announcement on a central bulletin board or electronically on the school website. Those are some initiatives that will promote a green working environment in our school and increase the productivity of the group by lowering the level of stress, absenteeism, and increase the individual productivity outcome within the group. After explaining the goal and strategies that we will show you how to measure it. We can measure it by implementing the papercon program in all departments. The amount of paper print will undoubtedly decrease by 10% in only 2 years, which means we will see the reduction of the tree consumed and the reduction of the CO2 produced. We need to know that every 1 ton, which means 2,000 pounds of paper and cardboard recycled can be saved. We can also save 7,000 gallons of water, 3.3 cubic yard of landfill space, and also reduce greenhouse gas emission by 1 metric ton of carbon equivalent. In addition, the amount of money saved by implementing those strategies per department and student will increase. The amount of money invested from the saving to the communities, students, and departments will also increase. For the paper measurements, implementing this green work environment will decrease the paper purchasing. We also increase the paper recycling and increase the recycling content per paper purchasing. For the financial department, this initiative will reduce the paper purchasing cost, reduce toner and ink cartridge cost, reduce printing, postage, and handling cost, also reduce disposal cost, and finally generate total annual savings. In conclusion, this initiative which will have a huge positive impact on the environment, will involve people in all departments to work as a group and participate. By sharing our goal, all department, leadership role, and area of expertise will establish a common mission and develop a strong identity. promoting a group cohesion by providing group reward each time that we see a decrease of paper consumption in each department. We also increase cohesiveness and improve the staff satisfaction. Thank you